Write characteristics of a space. Two straight lines cannot enclose a space. First one, two straight lines cannot enclose a space. Space contains infinity number of planes. A plane has infinity length, breadth, but no thickness. Space has infinity length, breadth, infinity thickness. Infinity thickness. It has infinity length, infinity breadth, infinity thickness. It is known as the space. A plane contains infinity lines. Space contains infinity planes. Okay. The differences between plane and space. Listen here. A plane contains infinity lines, but space contains infinity planes. Space contains infinity planes, but plane contains infinity lines. Okay. Through single point on a plane, we can draw infinity number of lines. Through 2 points, we can draw one straight line on in a plane. These are the characteristics of a space and the differences between space and plane. Okay, now next. Point is a mark of dash, that is a position of a point, position of the object. Okay, in coordinate plane, that object's position is known as is what is here, the distance between x-axis and x-axis to the object and y-axis to the object. That is the axial position of the point in coordinate plane. Suppose x-axis, y-axis, point object here. The distance from the x-axis, the distance from the y-axis. Suppose this one, the P, this Q, this point is known as, here what is the distance here, Q, first one Q, next P. Here this is known as position of an object. Position. Okay. Right, now next question. A point has no length, no breadth and no thickness. Is it true? Yes, it is true. A point has no length, no breadth, no thickness. Okay. A line contains infinity number of points. A line contains infinity number of points. These are all infinity number of points. That means it contains infinity number of points. Now next question. 1 meter is equal to dash. How much? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. This is the answer. Next.